Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Kdenlive tutorials how to reverse clip. We have this example clip, and then if you want to reverse this clip, you can right click on clip and then go to change speed. After it will be show for clip speed dialog box, and then you can check for reverse clip option. After it, click OK. And then if you play the video, it will be automatically reverse the clip. Okay, that's it for basic Kdenlive tutorials, how to reverse clip. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.